Woodworking is a craft that has been around for centuries, and it requires a wide range of tools to get the job done right. So in today's video, we'll show you some woodworking tools that are on another level. Tired of making inconsistent and inaccurate cuts with your saw? Well, it's time to upgrade your game with the M1 Caliber, a revolutionary measuring tool that's about to turn the table. This patent-pending tool easily clamps onto almost any type of saw fence, providing precise and consistent measurements with ease. No more fussing around with rulers and tape measures. Just clamp the M1 Caliber onto your saw fence, release the arm, and let the device do the rest. The M1 Caliber even has an automatic adjustment feature that ensures your materials are properly aligned, giving you pinpoint measurements every time. And the best part? You can customize the measuring units to fit your preference, making this tool perfect for any project. For a woodworking enthusiast, there's nothing quite as satisfying as having the right tools at his arsenal. And when it comes to getting the job done quickly and efficiently, the Bora Speedhorse is a game changer. Designed with the pros in mind, this tool is incredibly easy to set up thanks to its unique trigger release mechanism. And when it comes to weight capacity, it's best in class, which means you can get to work with confidence and without worrying about stability or safety. But what really sets the Bora Speedhorse apart from a regular sawhorse is its versatility. With this tool, you'll be able to take your woodworking experience to the next level and beyond, exploring new angles and getting creative with your designs. Don't settle for anything less than the Bora Speedhorse. Getting the perfect cuts with the bandsaw brings great struggle if you don't have the right assistance. That's where the GuidePRO Band Saw guide comes in handy. This easy-to-install guide provides a hands-free solution to achieving optimal performance while cutting a variety of woods and lumbers. With the GuidePRO, you'll have control and pressure that keeps your band stable and produces a precise cut every time. But wait, there's more. This guide also helps you achieve smoother, consistent pressure and reduced vibration in just 3 simple steps. Plus, with its comfortable silicone gripping position, you can work for hours without experiencing any fatigue. The DeckPro tool is an indispensable tool to have. First, it has impressive adjustability that accommodates all common board sizes, ranging from 85 to 150 millimeters. This tool is also tough and reliable, having undergone rigorous testing to ensure that the top handle can withstand direct pressure of up to 100 kilograms. It also features a cylindrical head that ensures a stable, non-wobbling installation while providing a neat and subtle finish. Plus, its clamping effect is second to none, thanks to the screws equipped with 2 threads with different pitches that provide a strong clamping effect. And if you're working in a tight space or an awkward mounting angle, the DeckPro tool has got you covered with its reduced drill point that allows for a quick startup. Annoyed with sanding those hard-to-reach corners and edges on your smaller projects? Well, you better check out the Milescraft 1622 Sand It. Don't go on its look. This little sanding tool packs a big punch with its unique patented multi-sided design. It simply allows you to sand multiple surfaces with ease, thanks to the different shapes on each side that can handle even the toughest projects. But that's not all. The sanding block also offers 3 different rounded edges, including a concave profile, a flat profile, and a tight edge that can tackle all those tight corners and hard-to-reach areas. And the best part of this handy sanding tool is highly adaptable and can quickly modify different sheets and sandpapers, making it the ultimate sanding solution for all your smaller projects. Looking to take your dowel hole drilling game to the next level? Look no further than the Wolfcraft Dowel Jig, the perfect tool for accurately aligning dowel holes and creating perfect edge-to-edge, corner, and T-butt joints. What's so great about this tool? First off, it's affordable and easy to handle, so even inexperienced DIYers can use it with confidence. And with its precise design, you can be sure that your dowel holes will be perfectly aligned every time. This tool is also incredibly versatile, with the ability to work with 6, 8, and 10 millimeter dowel pins and board thicknesses from 12 to 30 millimeters. But the best part? This tool is quick and easy to use, so you can get your project done in no time. No more struggling to drill straight, accurate dowel holes. The Woodpeckers Protractor T-Square is a precision measuring tool that's designed to instill confidence in its users. When you pivot the head of the tool, you'll notice a precision fit between the components that immediately instills confidence. This ensures that the movement is smooth and fluid, with no backlash when you change direction. The T-Square features a laser-engraved scale that is razor-sharp and easy to read. It ensures that your measurements are accurate and reliable. Meanwhile, the cursor on the protractor matches up perfectly with the scale, assuring that your angle measurements are laid down precisely. It also comes in a 12-inch, 24-inch, 600 millimeter, and 32-inch blade lengths. It simply lets you measure angles up to 32 inches long, making it a versatile tool for a range of woodworking applications. When the fierce autumn or winter storms wreak havoc on your trees and limbs, you need a reliable tool to manage them. This is the Makita Cordless Chainsaw that gives you an effort-free way of meeting all your cutting needs. Boasting an impressive 16-inch chain length, this chainsaw can effortlessly tackle even the thickest logs and larger trees. Its efficient, brushless motor allows for lightning-fast chain speeds of up to 22 meters per second, making quick work of any job. With two 18-volt batteries, you can make up to 171 cuts on a single charge, giving you the freedom to tackle day-long projects without interruption. Plus, the variable speed trigger ensures stable operation for precise cutting every time. You no longer have to fumble with cords to be tethered to a power source. To achieve highly accurate cuts, a track saw has no rivals in the field. That's why RYOBI added this brushless 6.5-inch track saw to its lineup. This tool combines a high-performance brushless motor, advanced electronics, and lithium-ion batteries to give you up to 260 linear feet of cutting per charge. Thanks to the pre-included 27.5-inch tracks, it lets you make up to a 55-inch precise and controlled cut, and even more with additional tracks. Plus, the bevel cuts are a breeze, too. With up to 4,300 RPM of speed, the track saw stands for quick and accurate cuts. But it doesn't stop there. This saw also comes equipped with an adjustable depth control switch and depth scale for precise score and plunge cuts, as well as track adjust and anti-tip adjustments to ensure smooth and accurate cuts every time. To conclude the list, we have the Makita PT001G. It's an efficient and reliable brushless pin nailer designed to deliver a pneumatic-like experience to users. It features a powerful brushless motor that provides maximum power. With its redesigned driving spring, users can operate this tool almost as if they were using a pneumatic pin nailer. The low reaction force mechanism of this tool enables users to easily perform long pin nailing while also achieving a high-quality finish. The tool's driver durability has been improved by redesigning the shape of the driver tip and reducing thin places, ensuring it is built to last. On top of that, it is engineered with extreme protection technology to improve its dust and water resistance for operation in harsh conditions. And the magazine capacity of up to 120 nails is worth mentioning, taking up productivity to the next level. All right, that was the list of the woodworking tools that are on another level. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you would like more videos like this on your feed.